It's really a momentous day in the state of Hawaii and for our company. To be able to talk about 110 megawatts of solar power being added to our resource mix is tremendous.
Solar power has become a more significant part of the electric grid across America. But nowhere can that be seen more clearly than the ambitious program right here in the beautiful state of Hawaii. The 3 solar facilities we're breaking ground on today will produce enough power to be able to power 32,000 homes. They'll offset 90,000 tons a year worth of carbon emission. And with the 800,000 panels that will be deployed across these 3 sites, energy will be produced for decades to come.
Our commitment to clean renewable energy leads the country, and this is just one more example of why we can lead the world when it comes to energy transformation.